Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining. I'm Simon Nakra from Conversant Technology, and today we're tackling a challenge most organizations are facing. How do we improve agent performance without increasing headcount? Customer expectations are rising, budgets are not, and the tools agents use haven't been kept up. So the goal today is to show you where performance is being lost, what you can do to unlock it, and how you can achieve more with people you already have. So, the challenge: customers now expect immediate, accurate service, but agents are often working across fragmented systems, six or more tools just to complete a single task. So, we've got rising expectations, flat budgets, and workflows that make it hard for agents to perform. The question becomes, how do we improve efficiency without adding people? Well, efficiency is becoming a strategic priority. The average call is around 8 minutes, but almost half that time can be tied up in admin and unnecessary tool switching. That translates to more than £1.2 million a year in lost productivity for a typical operation. And efficiency doesn't just mean working faster, it means removing the barriers that slow agents down. So, how do you know if you're facing these challenges? Well, agents constantly switching between apps, customers repeating information, handle times creeping up, burnout or turnover rising, and CSAT dropping. These aren't just problems, they're usually system problems. And the impact is much bigger than just long handle times. For example, 70% of customers switch brands after poor performance. Tools overload drives agent turnover, and communication failures can cut profits by up to 30%. So, inefficiency affects customer loyalty, employee morale, and financial performance. It touches every part of the operation. Your customers feel the friction too. Being passed around, repeating details, inconsistent follow ups, these are just top frustrations. One in three customers say being passed between agents is their biggest complaint. Poor communication is visible in every touch point. So let's move forward to what you can do to solve this. The first step is reducing system switching. The average agent uses 9 tools a day. A unified workspace, however, where calls, messages, and customer data sit together, can save up to an hour per agent per day. That's a significant productivity gain without hiring absolutely anyone. Next is automation, but automation done properly. FAQs, appointment reminders, CRM updates, and summaries don't need to be a human. When routine tasks are automated, agents focus on what they do best: problem solving and empathy. Around 40% of service tasks can be automated. That's a major opportunity for efficiency. Collaboration is another important pillar. When agents can't help internally, customers wait longer. Real time chat, escalation tools, and shared notes allow agents to get instant support. This improves confidence, reduces wait times, and increases first contact resolution. A unified customer view is a huge performance booster. If customer history sits across multiple systems, service becomes reactive and slow. However, when everything is in one place, every call, email, and message, agents can deliver a joined up proactive experience. Customers expect you to know their context before the conversation actually starts. Data is another leveler. Real-time analytics highlight time loss, bottlenecks, and training needs. AI-driven prompts support agents in the moment with tone, next steps, and sentiment. This isn't just about micromanaging, it's about empowering agents to perform at their best. Finally, internal communication must be aligned with external communication. If billing, sales, support, and service teams can't communicate effectively, the customer feels the disconnect. Bringing internal and external communication into one environment shortens resolution times and improves consistency. So let's talk briefly about AI. AI today is not replacing agents, it's elevating them. It predicts needs, assists in real time, removes admin, and provides insight. It works alongside your team and not instead of them. The combination of AI plus human skill creates a more productive, more accurate, and more resilient service operation. However, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. For example, adding more tools instead of integrating, over automating and losing human element, skipping training and change management, focusing on volume over quality, not reviewing process after implementation. Success comes from a strategy that blends technology, process, and people. So let's look at a modern communication stack that brings everything together. For example, voice, video, chat, and contact center, integration with CRM, ERP, and service desk, security and compliance built in, real-time collaboration and escalation, scalable for growing teams. This is the foundation of modern customer experience. So this is exactly what we've built with C360. C360 brings voice, chat, email, social, analytics, Teams integration, and AI into one intelligent workspace. Agents get everything in one place, managers get real-time visibility, and customers get faster, more consistent service. It's modern, efficient, and built to improve performance without needing additional headcount. So thank you for your time today. I know this webinar was very short, but I'd like to keep it that way. If you'd like to explore more how C360 can support your organization, or if you would like a workflow to review, we're offering free consultations. Therefore, feel free to reach out directly. I'll be more than happy to help. Many thanks for your time. Goodbye.